Hey youngsters! Today we are going to make some zucchini and walnut pancakes. Now let's get into it. I'm going to leave the recipe in the description box below. We're going to start off by using Krusteaz Light and Fluffy Sweet Cream Pancakes, and you're just going to follow the directions on the back of the box. So we're going to start off with our dry ingredient. And what I have here is brown sugar, salt, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Want to give that a good mix. I'm gonna add some vanilla bean paste. If you don't have vanilla bean paste, you can always use vanilla extract. All right, you're gonna wash your zucchini, cut off the tip, and you're gonna shred your zucchini. And don't be afraid of this recipe. If you like carrots, like a carrot cake, you won't be able to taste the zucchini, but I'm telling you, it's so delicious. I want to fold that in. You can also fold in your walnuts. Okay, should be mixed like that. All right, we're gonna start prepping our pan. We're gonna use a little butter or oil. And I just transferred my mix into a measuring cup. When you see it completely bubbling at the top, that's when you flip it over. Okay, you want your pancakes to look like that. And now for the taste test. I've drizzled a little bit of syrup over it. That's optional. The zucchini on the side is just for decoration. But let me give you a little taste test. Oh, do you see that? I should make a cookbook on this recipe alone. Like, it's that good, I'm telling you. Now, I do have the cream cheese topping here, but if I'll try to place it somewhere, the video for my carrot waffle, I made the cream cheese topping in that video. If that's, you know, if you guys want to try it with that. But, Oh, this is a wow. This is a wow. I'm sorry, I can't help it. It's just that good. Oh, the walnuts. The zucchini. The cream cheese topping. And then the crunch, just the crunch. Happy Sunday, everyone. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. Your family will love it. Like I said, you don't taste the zucchini, but you know it's a vegetable in there. But it's very good. It's I don't know what else to say. Okay? You guys have a wonderful day. Please feel free to leave me a comment below. Share the video out. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.